AS-SS250R is a 4-prong locking female connector assembly. 4 prongs can be seen as 1, 2, 3, 4. It is rated up to 50 amps at both 125 and 250 volts. It has a weather-tight seal and strain relief structure built in. It is compatible with SJ, SO, and ST jacket types. The cable that is most often used with is 6-4, that's 6 gauge, 4 conductors. But it can also be used with 10-4 and 8-4. AS-SS250R connects with NEMA SS250P plugs, also known as CS6365. Just plugs in like that and locks. And it also works with inlet boxes with the same connection. AS-SS250R is most often used with RVs, shore power, emergency power, and industrial power.